Hello everyone, welcome to another day about Nextdoor automation where I share business ideas and I also share special tools, tricks and hacks on how to be more visible on Nextdoor. Today I'm going to dive into a really unknown plugin that you can install on your website if you're running a website with WordPress that will be very helpful for having a better visibility on Nextdoor and in general better visibility and help users to share your content. So before I dive into the details, my name is Eric. I run the website nextdoor-agency.com where I support give services to business owners who needs to have growth on Nextdoor, get more leads for their business, and I automate the task in order for them to have more time to focus on their customer while the leads conversion funnel still working with them. So now let's dive in today's example and topic of my video. So when you have a website and you create content, first you want people to read your content, of course, but you should, if you have never done it, add the possibility for the visitor to share your content. Of course, you're supposed to have great content. If you don't have, people won't share it. But if you have great content, people would like to share it with their friends or whoever might be interested to read it. Let's say you publish a blog post about how to fix your bicycle in less than 1.5 minutes for a specific problem. The person reading it likes your content and would like to, you should make also a call for action at the end of your blog post and say, hey, why don't you share this with somebody who would appreciate this blog post, this advice. And you can add this plugin that adds automatically this nice sharing button. So you have actually different ways to make it appear. You can have it on the side like this one, or you can have it at the bottom of your article. So let's say you write an article on how to find leads for your tent rental business. This pops up automatically here, or it goes you can put it at the top of the article or at the bottom, and so on and so on. And you can see the options that I have selected. There are many more. You probably don't want to have too many, otherwise it's just focus on the ones you want to have. And you have, of course, the Facebook one, the tweet X sending via email, the Reddit share button, the Signal share button, the WhatsApp share button, and you have the one, your probably favorite or not so favorite, I don't know, Nextdoor button. So before I show you how it works, I'd like to show you the behind the scene installation. So if you are familiar with Nextdoor, with WordPress, you have your dashboard and back, how do you say that in English? Sorry, background admin panels, and you can go into plugins. You should be clicking at the top, add new plugin, then you type ShareThis share buttons in the, after clicking add new, I'll show you, add new, you search plugin, you copy paste this, and you have this one. Obviously it's already installed on my website, and you just have to click here, activate. It will activate the plugin into your back office. That's the name I was looking for, back office. Then you will come back here see the installed plugins, and you can go on settings. If you go on settings, you have here, so the first tab is whether you want to have the inline share buttons. That's either at the top or at the bottom of your article, or maybe both. And here you have a huge selection of social media where you could offer your audience to share. So there are even some that I have never heard. So Tumblr I've heard. This one's Chinese, no idea. Evernote I heard. I don't want to pronounce this. Google. So you'll explore all this famous or not so famous social media you can select. So here you have the selection to the left, to the center. Oh yeah, it's still in line, but you can have left, center, right, or justified buttons. So I did not choose this option. I prefer to have the sticky share button, which means whenever you are on your article, which is here, if you scroll up or down, the share button menu remains always on the left. So that's up to you. I've tried top and bottom, inline, and many different ones. All works. Just choose the one you prefer. So we have here the sticky share button enabled. So I've selected the ones I like. You can change it over time if you want. And that's it. That's about it. Everything is installed, and you can just reload your page and see on your website how it works out. So I'm always talking about Nextdoor, so I'm going to show you how it works if I want to share this wonderful article. And this will open a window. This window will be linked to your active Nextdoor account. You should be connected in your Nextdoor account, otherwise it might not work. And here you go. It takes the top article, the article title. Unfortunately, then it's up to you as a user to write the text. Hey, found this. Oops. Found this great article online. There are great advice on how to use this and that, but unfortunately what they lack adding, and it's up to you to still do it manually, is to add the link. And I think they should improve this plugin next time. You just Control-C, Control-V if you are on Windows, and it will add the external link by itself. So that's how it works. Fairly easy to install. If you don't do it, you're going to miss on potentially viral exposure, or at least sharing your content through your visitors. And I strongly advise to do that, because if you don't, others will do and have a greater exposure than you. So if you're a business and want to grow your business, you have to take all opportunity to have your content shareable. Do that, so everything is done in the benefit of your company. So my company, I've developed a program for automation where I make this even simpler. Of course, the text will be added, the link will be added, And if you are interested to grow your business and get consistency in a consistent manner, some more leads for your business, so you can find my website in the description of that video. You can reach me, and whenever you are free, we can have a chat and see how we can work together in getting you more, grow your revenue with getting more leads. I also leave in the description a blueprint document that I have drafted. Each time I give new advices, I enrich it so it will be up to date. Or if you see this video in the future and you have you will still have an updated document, so with all the latest hacks and tricks I share with you guys. So that's it for the video. If you think this plugin can help you grow, and if you like this type of advice, leave it a like. If you don't, leave it a dislike. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And I'll try to leave, I'm discovering this Nextdoor, this YouTube sharing platform, a link on how to extend your coverage on Nextdoor and add new neighborhoods so that you are seen by more people. Anyway, it is also described in the Nextdoor blueprint, a link that is below. So don't forget to subscribe, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.